guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So for today's video I have another tutorial for you. So the last tutorial I did was using the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. So my little Natasha Denona Lila palette was asking for attention too, so I thought it was only fair that I did a tutorial using her too. So I used the Lila palette and the Natasha Denona Diamond and Blush palette. I have a review on this lovely lady over here, so be sure to check that out. So yeah, I just created this really pretty spring look. It was supposed to be a light, fresh, pretty spring makeup look, and all of my tutorials are not so dramatic. I can't help myself. But anyways, if you want to learn how I did this look, then just keep watching. So here is the beautiful Natasha Denona Lila palette, and I'm going to take this cool tone gray brown color, and I'm just going to put that in my crease as the transition shade. Next, I'm going into the shimmery hot pink, and with a small blender brush, oh my goodness, I'm just going to pop that all over the crease. Using an even smaller brush, I'm taking this purple color up here and I'm going to start deepening my crease. Next, I'm going in with the deepest purple in the palette and I'm going to create a halo eye with that. And so I'm putting that in the inner and outer corner and I am blending the middle together. Now I'm taking this light shimmery silver white color and I'm just popping that in the center of my lid. To add a little bit of shimmer, I'm using the Stila Glitter and Glow in the shade Kitten Karma. And I'm just cleaning up under my eyes. Alright, so I'm using my Maybelline Superstay foundation today. It looks a little light, but I promise you it oxidizes, and with all of the powders I put on, it'll look fine in the end. And now I'm using the new Makeup Revolution concealer, which I really like this concealer, I'm not gonna lie. I like it better than Tarte Shape Tape. Next, I'm using my Mercier translucent powder to pat that in my under eyes, and then I just went ahead and set the rest of my face with that. Now I'm taking Benefit Hoola bronzer and I'm going to use that to contour today. I've been loving this guy. You guys should see my review on the new Benefit cheek palette. I will link that above in the cards and below in the description box. Next, I'm using my Natasha Denona Diamonds and Blush palette, and I'm taking the blush in there and putting that on my cheeks. Again, this palette is amazing. I have a review on it. It will be linked in the cards and in the description box. And I'm taking the Glow Extreme powder, and I'm putting that on the top of my cheekbones and my nose and all those places. And we're taking the Diamonds powder and layering that on top for extra glow. Alright, back to the eyes. I'm taking a small blender brush in that hot pink and running that along my lower lash line. And we're taking the deepest purple and running that along the lower lash line a little closer to the lash line than the pink. And I'm highlighting my inner corner. And this is the Cake Face Beauty lashes in the style Millionaire, and I put that on off camera because my camera died, but I'm putting on the Kylie Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Candy K, which is just a pretty neutral pink. Over top of that, I'm using this Huda Beauty Lip Strobe. The color will be linked down below because I can't remember what it's called right now, but she's so shiny and pretty, and we're all finished. So I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. Now I realized after I finished filming this that this look is very similar to one of the looks I did using one of my Pat McGrath Mothership palettes. but it's fine. It's using different products, and I just really love this color scheme, I guess, and we already made it this far. I'm posting this dang tutorial. It still is really pretty, and it's not exactly the same, so it's fine. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Remember to like this video and subscribe for more videos. If you have any video ideas that you want me to do, put them down below. I'm all for suggestions here. Anyways, have a great day, guys. Bye.